We will not leave. Welcome to New Story in English. Today I will tell you a very beautiful short story. The name of the story is We Will Not Leave. Let's start reading this beautiful story. Once upon a time, there was a boy named Nabil. He lived in a pretty city called Jaffa near the sea. Nabil liked playing on the beach with his family and friends. They had a nice house in Jaffa where they felt happy and safe. But one sad day, something bad happened. Some Zionists came and took their house away. Nabil and his family had to leave their home and go to another city called Jerusalem. They hoped that one day they could go back to their beloved house in Jaffa. As years went by, Nabil and his family couldn't go back to their old house. Other people had started living there. So, they decided to build a new house in a neighborhood called Sheikh Jarrah in Jerusalem. They moved into their new home and tried to make new happy memories. But to their surprise, the Zionists came back again. They wanted to take Nabil's new house in Sheikh Jarrah too. They wanted to replace them with other people. But Nabil and his family were strong. They said firmly, "We will not leave." Nabil's daughter even wrote those words on the wall of their house. Nabil's friends and their children joined them in sharing their story on social media. They all stood together and said, "We will not leave." People from all over the world saw their pictures and showed their support. News about Nabil and his family spread quickly. Many people protested and showed their support. Even though Nabil and his family felt scared and sad, they didn't give up. They knew they had many supporters on their side. One day, important people from the United Nations came to listen to Nabil's family's story. They wanted to help them. Nabil and his family talked about their dreams of going back to their stolen house. They talked about the pain they felt and the unfair treatment they faced. Days turned into weeks, and the protests continued. Nabil and his family felt tired, but they held on to hope. Nabil missed his old home in Jaffa and cherished the wonderful memories he had there. He felt a strong connection to his land and decided to keep fighting. Then, they got really sad news. A court said that Nabil and his family had to leave their house forever and go somewhere else. The family felt really sad and mad, but they made a brave choice. They would stand up against this unfairness and not accept the unfair decision. The protests and resistance kept going. Nabil and his family faced the authorities with bravery. They knew they had the support of many people who believed in their cause. They held on to the hope that one day they would be able to go back to their beloved home in Jaffa and live there happily ever after. Nabil's story touched the hearts of people all over the world. Many organizations and individuals came forward to support him. They raised awareness about the injustice Nabil and his family were facing. The media started covering their story, and it became a symbol of the struggle for justice and equality. With the international attention, pressure mounted on the authorities to reconsider their decision. The United Nations issued a statement urging the government to protect the rights of Nabil and his family. Celebrities and public figures joined the cause, adding their voices to the fight for justice. As the protests grew larger and stronger, the government started to feel the pressure. They realized that they couldn't ignore the calls for justice any longer. Negotiations began between Nabil's family and the authorities, mediated by international organizations. After months of negotiations and discussions, a breakthrough was finally reached. The government agreed to recognize the rights of Nabil and his family to their house in Jaffa. Nabil and his family were overjoyed. They couldn't believe that their fight had finally paid off. They thanked everyone who had supported them throughout their journey. They celebrated their victory, not just for themselves, but for all those who had been affected by similar injustices. Nabil's story became an inspiration for many others who were fighting for their rights. It served as a reminder that even in the face of adversity, standing up for what is right can make a difference. Nabil's family returned to their beloved house in Jaffa, where they could finally live in peace and happiness. And so, Nabil's story became a symbol of resilience, determination, and the power of unity. It reminded people that together, they can overcome any obstacle and create a world where justice and equality prevail.
The end. Hope you have enjoyed the reading. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. And find more fascinating and exciting stories from the description below the video.